not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Which is the first institute in India to introduce a full-time BTech program in Artificial Intelligence? IIT Hyderabad, IIT Mumbai, IIT Kanpur or IIT Delhi? The answer is A. IIT Hyderabad is the first institute in India to introduce full-time BTech program in Artificial Intelligence from 2019 to 2020 academic year. At undergraduate level, IIT Hyderabad is reportedly the third institution in the world to offer the BTech in Artificial Intelligence after Carnegie Mellon University and MIT or the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in US. What is the name of the heritage building in Mumbai which is all set to return in a new avatar as the home of National Museum of Indian Cinema? Noor Mahal, Gagan Mahal, Gulshan Mahal or Hawaii Mahal? The answer is C. Gulshan Mahal is the name of the heritage building in Mumbai which is all set to return in a new avatar as the home of the National Museum of Indian Cinema. Gulshan Mahal is the elegant 19th century bungalow in South Mumbai, once known for qawwalis and the cultural gatherings. This heritage building is all set to begin life as a National Museum of Indian Cinema. Now tomorrow on Jan 19th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate this museum. The museum will showcase 100 years of Indian cinema. Who is the first South Asian to be chosen for the Intelligence Committee by the United States of America? Zain Zeng, Raja Krishnamurthy, Hidayat Khan or Tarang Das? The answer is B. Raja Krishnamurthy is the first South Asian to be chosen for the Intelligence Committee. The democratic lawmaker Raja Krishnamurthy appointed as the member of a Congressional Committee on Intelligence. He becomes the first South Asian to serve in powerful body tasked to strengthen the US national security. As appointed as a member of the House Permanent Select Committee on Intelligence, the main task of this committee is to oversee the activities and budget of the 17 intelligence agencies of the United States. What is a jail term imposed on Dera Sacha Saudat chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim, who got convicted for killing a journalist in the year 2002? 10 years, 20 years, 25 years or life imprisonment? The answer is D. Life imprisonment. The special court imposed life imprisonment on Dera Sacha Saudat chief who got convicted for killing a journalist in the year 2002. Journalist Ramchandra Chhatrapati was murdered in 2002 after he published an anonymous letter in his evening newspaper Pura Sach by a female Dera follower who accused Gurmeet Ram Rahim of rape. Which team created history by entering the semi-finals of the Ranji Trophy for the first time? Gujarat, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh or Bengaluru? Ranji Trophy is very important from exam point of view. Previously many questions have been asked regarding this topic, so you must have minimum idea. The answer is B. Kerala. Kerala team created history by entering the semi-finals of the Ranji Trophy for the first time ever in the history. Kerala defeated Gujarat by 113 runs to qualify for the Ranji Trophy semi-finals. Ranji Trophy is a domestic first-class cricket championship played in India between teams representing regional and state cricket associations. From exam point of view, remember these 2 points. The current champion is Vidarbha and the most successful team is Mumbai. It had won almost 41 titles. Supreme Court allows reopening of dance bars in which of the following state? Kerala, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Gujarat. The answer is B. Maharashtra. Supreme Court allows reopening of dance bars in the state of Maharashtra. In 2005, the Maharashtra government bans all the dance bars in the state. Around 75,000 women were employed in dance bars when the state government decided to shut them in the year 2005. Later on in 2016, the state government of Maharashtra brought the law on the prohibition of obscene dance in hotels, restaurants and bar rooms and protection of dignity of women rules. The state government claimed that the bar girls were usually minors or victims of trafficking or prostitution and other forms of flesh trade. But the state government cannot prove its allegations in the court, and the court observes that the bar girls have voluntarily embraced dance bars to live with dignity and earn their livelihood through their dance performances. So yesterday's Supreme Court judgment conclusion was the belief of the state government that working women in dance bars are involved in immoral activities is irrational and baseless, and orders reopening of dance bars and says state government can only regulate the dance bars but cannot ban them completely, and cites Article 19 Clause 1G, which says to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. So Article 19 Clause 1G is very important from exam point of view. Do remember one of the fundamental right. What is the name of the biopic on Malala Yousafzai which will be screened in London on Jan 25, 2019? Gulmakai, My Journey, Malala, We Are Displaced, Girl Who Stood Up for Education. The answer is A. Gulmakai is the name of the biopic on Malala Yousafzai which will be screened in London on Jan 25, 2019. Now these kind of biopics are very important from exam point of view. Do remember the movie name along with the director name. Gulmakai is an upcoming Indian biographical drama directed by Amjad Khan. The film is based on the life and struggle of a Pakistani teenager, girl education activist and Nobel Peace Prize winner Malala Yousafzai. Gulmakai will have special screening for almost 450 dignitaries across the world, including representatives from the United States. The option C, We Are Displaced, is the book released by Malala Yousafzai, very important book, recently released. So do remember the book name along with the biopic name. Which is the first Indian private sector company to report a quarterly profit of more than 10,000 crore? Infosys Technologies Limited, Reliance Industries Limited, Tata Consultancy Services or the Wipro Limited? The answer is B. Reliance Industries Limited is the first Indian private sector company to report a quarterly profit of more than 10,000 crore. Reliance Industries net profit rose 8.8% to almost 10,251 crore rupees. Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian conglomerate holding company which is headquartered in Mumbai of Maharashtra. Reliance owns businesses across India engaged in energy, petrochemicals, textiles, natural resources, retail and telecommunications. Let's see the question for the day. Who became the world's youngest mountaineer to climb 7 peaks, 7 volcano summits across all continents? Satyarup Siddhanta, Mingma Sherpa, Kuntal Joyshire or Chanda Gayan? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for yesterday's question. Who among the following is the world's youngest ever grandmaster? Sergei Kurjukin, Magnus Carlsen, Fabiano Corona or Vishwanath Anand? The answer is A. Sergei Kurjukin is the world's youngest ever grandmaster. As rightly answered by many people in the comment section, Sergei Kurjukin belongs to the country Russia. He holds the record for the world's youngest ever grandmaster, as he qualified for the title at the age of 12 years and 7 months. Remember the age, very important. And India's youngest ever grandmaster, we have discussed it yesterday, it was D. Gukesh, and he had qualified for the title at the age of 12 years, 7 months and 17 days. Quote for the day: discipline is doing what needs to be done, even if you don't want to do it. So discipline earns us success. Be disciplined to make your life better. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.